What is going on, guys? Good morning and happy Monday. We are back from a pretty good week last week. And we're starting off the week honestly with the setup. Now, I don't know how the setup is really gonna play out. Obviously, the market just opened. You guys probably noticed I'm starting the live about a few minutes earlier. You guys know I usually wait for the trend, a bias, some sort of momentum to kind of flow into the market, and then we go from there, right? But coming into the market, we are getting a lot of buyers. Although I do have a short setup, we do have a lot of buyers coming in. So I'm gonna see if we can get something for longs. But I am a lot more interested in shorts to see if we can get some sort of a sweep very, very soon. Now, of course, I'll explain the setup in a moment because I have to start the live trading for the premium. But I was really, really hoping that we can get some sort of a bearish movement to the downside so we can get an A plus ready setup. Right, guys? So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start the live trading here over in the premium and just pretty much get started from here on out. Hopefully you have a quick Monday because man, I am tired. But we'll see. We'll see. Hopefully everything goes good. Right here, let me start the live trading over in the premium because they keep asking, you know what I mean? So let's see. But yeah, I hope your guys' Monday is going amazing. So here, let me start the thing here. Let me join up. Yo. What's good, everyone? What's up? What's up? What's up? Good morning, guys. Okay. Now, I was hoping to get in the live with a nice selling candle, as that's kind of when I started the YouTube live, but the market quickly bounced up. You know, it's very, very volatile right now. The volume is actually amazing. I really like it. But so far, we have a setup, but it's not looking to play out yet, right? Hopefully in the next few minutes, but we don't know yet. Anyways, I'm sure you guys know the setup that I'm looking at. You guys were putting it out in the chat. It's a pretty clear setup. We have everything lined up. We have a fair value rejection, at least for right now. We're trying to get a deal sweep on both ES and NQ off the London high, which is at 760.50, and the one at 641.75, which we are showing weakness from on ES. Right now, one thing that I do want you guys to take note of is that NQ is the leading one today, or at least right now, right? It has a lot more buying volume and has a lot more interest in general, right? So ES, pretty much it's trying to go down. As you guys see, NQ is currently above the London high, and ES is below the London high. What that shows is that sellers are in more control over ES, meaning that if NQ can sell off, ES will sell off even harder. All right, guys. Now, what is the setup that I'm watching? Well, like I said, you guys kind of already put it out in the chat, but what I'm watching is I'm looking to see if we can get a nice 5-minute rejection off this fair value gap up here, right? I want to get a rejection off here. I want to make sure that buyers get completely exhausted, completely out of the picture. Once they are out of the picture, I want to look for a deal sweep off this London high up here. We get enough selling to inverse this pre-market fair value gap. We take the shorts into 642 and lower. Simple game plan, the usual game plan. But I want to see if we can get that because right now, obviously, you guys see buyers have a lot of interest, right? So we're gonna find out now if there's too much buyers, I might consider looking at some longs above this inverse up here, but I don't know. I don't know. That's probably gonna be more of a gambling type of trade, or not gambling, but more of a really risky like last second trade, right? But we'll see. We'll see. But here, let me go ahead and put this out real quick. Give me 1 second, guys. But right now, obviously, with a lot of buying coming in, I would say it's normal. I want to say it's normal before we get hopefully a sweep very soon. But we're gonna find out. We're gonna find out. Now, like I said, if it comes to taking the last like if buyers look so strong to the point where we have to take or we want to take longs, it would have to be from here. And the reason I'm saying that is because if you guys zoom out, you guys remember when the market sold off 1,000 points, right? When the market sold off 1,000 points throughout like this last maybe 2-3 weeks, we've been filling every single fair value gap to the upside, and the final one remaining is this huge fair value gap. And I'm talking huge, and I mean, 94 points, not horrible, right? But I'm pretty sure. Wait, is it from the last sell off or is it from earlier? Yeah, it was from the sell off. Yeah. Okay, but yeah, I've been this is the only one that's kind of holding us from going any higher. So if buyers are looking really, really interested, and I'm talking really to the point where we're pumping up 30-40 points per candle, we can like probably take a risky long trade into this inverse and just target liquidity above, right? The thing is, it's going to be very risky. So if you don't see any signs for selling, which is what we want to see, anytime soon, I mean, we can always try to trade into longs. It won't be a horrible idea, right? Right now, obviously, we're rejecting off the midpoint, which we could still show signs of selling. But from the looks of it, I personally think we have a lot more room into higher, maybe into the 900s. So I don't know if we want to take a risky trade. Honestly, longs won't be a horrible idea. They won't be the best idea. Obviously, we have a lot more confirmation to the downside, which would be a lot better. But you guys know, in the days where we have a lot of buying or a certain momentum into a certain direction, usually price just stays that way the entire morning, and we end up forming setups, but we don't end up getting any entries at all, right? So if it's going to be one of these days, we might as well just play with the direction that's extremely strong and just go based off that, right? So here, let me get this prepared just in case. And if anything, I know it's going to be super risky, but if the buying looks really, really strong to the point where it's like kind of confirmed that we're going to go higher into drawing liquidity, I mean, why not risk it and just take it? You know what I mean? But I'll see. The thing is, I really want to see buyers get very weak around this area, because shorts looks amazing. Don't get me wrong, shorts look amazing, but the problem is we don't have any type of selling at all. I mean, price is holding above the London high by a by a lot. I mean, look at ES on the other hand, right? We're gonna inverse this, right? So worst comes to worst, if we want to take like a really, like I said, risky position, today's gonna be like one of those days where I kind of just like want to say fuck it and just just try it out. It will be something that looks like this, for example. But right now, in the meantime, if we don't inverse this at all, the whole thing, the whole point of what I'm watching right now is for shorts. I really like the way shorts look. I mean, everything is lined up perfectly. The thing is, like I said, if there's too much buyers, I'm just gonna look to take this inverse and just see how that plays out. I'll probably just size light and go from there. All right, guys. So we kind of have a setup in both directions, depending on if the market actually moves in whichever direction. We should have some sort of a movement. But right now, we are getting a pretty nice selling candle, which is what I want to see. Right? I told you guys, I want to see a rejection off somewhere in this midpoint right here. But we'll see. Now, how are you guys doing? I'm seeing a lot of you guys are on today. Over 450 of you guys. Waiting for the news. Didn't it come out already? Oh no, it comes out in a minute. But wow, this candle, green to red, amazing. That is nice. Would the 925 be a good one to take? Yeah, that's actually what I'm looking for, actually. Yeah. I'm looking for an inverse off that. I am looking for an inverse off that. Now, this green, oh well, there goes news. Now, obviously, if we inverse the fair value gap with news, I am not taking it. I do not trade news candles at all, right? So if this candle comes out super bullish and we pump up, we're just gonna have to wait for another setup, if we even get another setup. All right, guys. But yeah, there's no way I'm gonna take any sort of inverse with the news volume coming in, because that is super hectic. At first, it'll be extremely green, and you blink and the candle's back to being red. So I am not doing that. All right, guys. But yeah, we'll see. Right now, ES looks like it's starting to lead a little bit more. ES is breaking highs and everything, when NQ is kind of struggling here. Right now, I have my fingers crossed that we see selling very, very soon. But we'll see. I just don't want to inverse this for value up, because I would take longs, but I don't want to take longs. You know what I mean? I want to take shorts because everything is just primed for shorts. It just looks perfect. But I want to see how ES reacts here. I really want to see how ES reacts, because it's breaking highs and it has drawn liquidity up here, which is what, like 3 points away. But nah, I just want to be careful up here, because like I said, I would take longs. I really want to take longs. Or not that I want to, but I would off this inverse. The thing is, it's going to be a risky one. That's the only problem. It's extremely risky if we take this. But it's going to be one of those days where the market just goes in one direction and it just stays there like all morning long. So we'll see. But yeah, like I said, guys, if I do end up taking longs, which obviously pay attention to, because the market is moving all like really, really fast right now. If we do end up taking longs, please take this light. and I'm talking like very light. It's a risky one. The setup is not the best. It's there. Don't get me wrong. It's a good setup. It's just, there's not as much confirmation, but we are taking it due to buyers being extremely strong, and we have a setup to the upside, so we might as well, right? So if you're gonna take this with me, if I do end up taking it, which I don't know just yet, please take this light. All right, guys. I don't want to see you guys full pointing saying, "Oh, I blew up my account." If the trade, you guys know the risk, because that's apparently something I always have to deal with, with any setup. But yeah, so far it seems like sellers are trying their best to not let this inverse. So fingers crossed, sellers can step in a lot stronger, just like how they did in this candle. But obviously, the news kind of fucked it up a little bit. So. But we'll see. Right now, it's kind of like they're fighting right here. Like buyers really want this to go higher, and just sellers are giving. We might get seller exhaustion very soon. But the momentum here to the upside looks insane. Now the problem is if we inverse this for rally gap up here, ES is gonna take out liquidity, and you guys know what happened last time when we did that. So I don't know. Maybe I might sit out of this one. I might just watch it. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I just have my fingers crossed that sellers can step in very soon and just reject this all the way back down. But I don't know. I don't know. As much as I want to take this, it's just the confirmations, they're not really there. Like they're there, but it's not the most. You know what I mean? It's just the short setup has a lot more. But the problem is that's not the part that I'm worried about, because obviously we have the direction in our favor. The part that I'm worried about is that if we end up inversing this, which would look pretty good if the buying looks good, we get a nice pop to the upside. If we get the pop to the upside, ES is going to follow along. And if ES follows along, we're probably going to take out this liquidity at 653, which is, honestly, now that I'm looking at it, it's not the strongest one, but it's something to look out for and something to be careful with, because obviously it's a DOL level. Maybe the market wants to take out this one and then go back down. You know what I mean? So we're kind of in a tough spot right now. We're kind of in a really tough spot because price, obviously, sellers are not strong at all. Sellers can't step in. They're trying to, but they're really struggling. It's going to get to the point where there's not enough sellers interested, and there's not going to be any more sellers re-inverses, and we probably just shoot really high up into drawn liquidity, right? That's most likely what's going to happen. But if we take the risk, we're taking a big risk, because obviously ES is about to hit drawn liquidity, right? Which can cause us to reverse. So right now, we're in a tough spot, guys. As much as I don't want to say it, we really are, because obviously you guys see that sellers they're fighting this. They're trying to hold this down like crazy, but they can't, because there's not enough selling. There's not enough interest in selling, right? So we're probably gonna inverse this very, very soon, but the problem is this up here, right? So we're probably gonna hit this and reverse back down, or we don't know if we want to go higher. That's the problem. So as much as I want to take longs, I don't know. It's gonna be such a risky move. But I'll see. Now, obviously, we still have some room for sellers to step in. As long as we don't inverse this up here, we should be good. But once we inverse, I think that's kind of the bias already set. You know what I mean? But we'll see. I mean, we could probably still step in here. As long as we hold below 760, I mean, we should be good. Because the only thing I want to see is a DOL sweep under the London low. We inverse this for value gap down here. We get the selling to step in, and we're good to go. That'll be the best thing that can happen right now. We just get straight selling coming in, which would be surprising, because I wasn't expecting sellers to step in so quick. But we're gonna see, bro. We're gonna see. In the meantime, let me catch up with the chat. Let me see what you guys are saying. Why not inverse the first for rally gap? Which one? This one up here? Because if we inverse this one, you're gonna shoot straight down into the next one, and that it could stop you out. You know what I mean? So I would be careful with that one. David, I got a question. On my eval account, I've had 2 winning trades in a row on my 25K account. The drawdown is still one. Do you know why it hasn't come back up to 175? Because you probably the trade went green, and it probably pulled back a little bit before you sold. Remember, it trails based off the highest point of your account, and we're getting a nice red to green candle, which it's surprising. Not surprising. I mean, like I said, I'm expecting buyers to really step in very soon. Just sellers don't have any sort of volume. They're trying to step in, but they can't hold it. So I know I'm bearish and I want to be bearish, but I know buyers are going to step in very soon. I hope they prove me wrong, but just from the looks of it, I'm expecting a lot higher very soon. But I hope they prove me wrong because my setup is down here. But let's see. Anyways, in the meantime, let me keep catching up with the chat with you guys. Maybe you guys have some questions. Why are you hating on sellers? I mean, bro, it's not hating on sellers. It's just the momentum looks a little bit weak up here. You obviously price was struggling around the 820 range to the point where they couldn't break below it. Now that we are below it, maybe we keep going lower, but right now it's, kind of like, it's questionable. That's what I'm trying to say. You see what I mean? Like, we're getting bounces. Is that we know sellers are trying to step in. People keep trying to bring the price down, but there's too much interest in buying. Obviously, you guys see the buy up here, and you guys see the same one up here. You know what I mean? Full size if we short, yeah, I'll do full size, especially with the volume that we have. I like I said, I like shorts a lot more, but I'm open to taking longs if the setup plays out into longs. The thing is, this level up here is really worrying me. So maybe I'll just wait until we break it, which we're about to. I mean, look at red to green candle. We're about to break it. I want to see the reaction off this level. If it's a good one, I'll consider taking a late entry. I'm gonna take a light regardless. And just play around my stop loss. Can you show me why you have the 891 level? The 891 level is just a level of liquidity. If you zoom back on the 5-minute time frame, you're gonna see it's a pullback that we had. If I could find it. Oh well, it's a level. It's a level. Let me focus on the chart real quick because we're trying to inverse this right now. Did we hit liquidity? We have not. Man, we're in such a tricky spot. Like, we're not in a bad spot. Don't get me wrong. We're not in a bad spot. It's just we're in a tricky spot. That's the problem. The reason I say that is because, like I said a million times, we could take the inverse, which looks amazing, or it doesn't look amazing. It looks good, right? We could take the inverse into deal well above because we know that buyers are very interested in all that good stuff. The problem is that we have drawn liquidity right there on ES. So we don't know. Maybe ES wants to take out this liquidity and head back down. Who knows? We don't know. That's the only problem. So as much as I want to take longs up here, I'm not gonna say we can't, but we're gonna have to wait. So we're gonna find out. We're gonna find out very soon. But like I said, I'm open to taking longs if we see price continue to go high. The thing is, by the time we see price go higher, we're already gonna be at the price target. And another problem is since we know that if the bias wants to be bullish, we have to wait for another setup and another entry before we take out liquidity, and it's just a whole headache. So we either take the risk now and we take longs off this inverse into DOL and we have no issue with any setups, or we wait and probably don't get anything for today. That we're just in a very tricky spot, which I don't like too much, but we're gonna see. I'm gonna see what we can cook up here. Hopefully it's something good. But yeah. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna delete this just so I don't confuse any of you guys thinking that we're in a trade or something. That's just something that we were watching. Plus, I got my payout approved, and it said that my payout method was incorrect. So I rechecked, put the info, and now the balance has gone down on my account requested. I don't see it in my bank account yet. This is normal. Yeah, that's normal. That just means it was processed. Of course, it takes a few days for it to obviously hit your account. But yeah, that means that they process it. If you see the money got taken out of your account, you're good to go. Anyways, guys, we're about to hit draw liquidity here. We were about a point away, and we're about to inverse this up here. So hey, maybe we could take it longs because we're about to hit DOL before we even inverse it. We just need this to push up one more point. We just need this to push up just one more point because look at this. NQ is lagging behind while ES is pumping up, which is a good sign. This is what we want to see, right? Because remember, the whole point behind this is we want to see a reaction off 53 first. Depending on the reaction, if we get a sweep or if we get a continuation to the upside, depending on that reaction, we can base the trade off that, right? So obviously, if we get a bearish reaction, which obviously, I mean, look at this sell-off, beautiful sell-off, right? We can start expecting a bearish reaction into the inverse of the fair value gap down here, which is what we initially wanted to take. Right now, if buyers are too strong and we break above 53 and we hold above 53, right, we can look for an inverse off this bullish fair value gap or this bullish trade into drawn liquidity above, right? So regardless of what happens, we have a trade for either direction, right? But we'll see. Right now, we're still in the kind of like sandwiched. We're still in the middle of these two prices or these two setups. So we don't know what's going on yet, but we could probably get something really soon. actually, and especially with the way sellers are stepping in. Buyers are getting weaker on this range. I'm liking that a lot. But we're gonna find out. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Right now, obviously, we're about 90 points away from the setup to the downside. But with price being very volatile, it's probably like 30 points realistically. It's like a 30-point move to the downside. But yeah, I just hope price doesn't get very slow around, or not slow, but just very indecisive. Because if it does, then obviously we're gonna have a pretty choppy morning, and this is gonna be even more of a headache, right? But man, if this candle flips back green, I'm probably just gonna take longs at this point. But ES hasn't taken it out. It missed it by like 2 ticks maybe. Yep, 2 ticks. Yeah, I know. YouTube is delayed. Yeah, I know. I do it on purpose. Speaking of, let me catch up with the chat. Okay, it's just people chatting. Okay, bet. Do you use RP strategy? No, I don't. No. Let me see. Okay, cool. Hey, what's up, bro? What's going on? Why not use the second fair value gap? 47 points. If are you talking about this one? This one's 62. Yes, sir. Wait, what? Oh no. Okay. The reason I'm not using this fair value gap is because if you inverse this fair value gap, which don't get me wrong, it looks amazing. You didn't do anything. You didn't really read anything bad here. The problem is that if we inverse this one, 10 points later, you're into another one which could possibly bounce. You know what I mean? So why take the risk? I'd much rather have us inverse both fair value gaps, have more confirmations, and just get a way better entry, or not way better entry, but just way safer entry is what I mean. The lower one is also BPR. It is, yeah, because we had a fair value gap here, so it's even better in my opinion. Yeah, it's even better. It has a lot of interest around this area. Can you help explain? Wait, what? Let me see. Can you help explain when you give a 5-minute pullback importance? Most times we're looking at the 50-minute and above, right? No, we're actually always looking at the 5-minute time frame. If that's what you're asking. We look at the 15-minute sometimes if the 5-minute is looking very ugly and we have to resort to plan B, but usually the 5-minute is always for drawing liquidity. Okay, yeah. If you're gonna find drawing liquidity, I would have you look for DOL on the 30-minute and the 1-hour time frame. Those are the best ones. Price is very clear. There's not too much, not too little candles. Everything is looking good, right? So yeah, you start off on the 1-hour, head over to the 30-minute, and if you want, you can always head over to the 15-minute and even find liquidity there, right? So yeah. How would you size on the long? Light, just like what, like 6 contracts, maybe 6, 7 contracts, maybe 5. How do you feel about 516? I don't like to look at the number because obviously it gets. I don't like to have a number get to me, but man, that's 500 of you guys in here, man. That's insane, guys. That is insane. Anyways, server growing every day, bro. Yeah, it's insane, bro. It's insane. We're putting ourselves out there, Anyways, right now it still seems like the one thing I just don't want. I don't care if we go to the upside or to the downside. I will trade whichever side. The only thing I don't want to see is this price get stuck at this range. I don't want to see that because obviously I don't want to trade chop. I don't want to see chop at all. I'm really hoping we see some. It seems like buyers are getting weaker here, which is a good sign because obviously they're struggling to break above here, and we're getting more red candles. So maybe we see downside. Who knows? Maybe we can break this low and probably just head straight down. But hopefully, fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. What's up? You driving last night? Nah, but it was chill. It was chill. Looking at the 1 hour, I like longs. For me personally, I don't use the 1 hour. But what are you seeing on the 1 hour? Yeah, yes, it's struggling to sweep. Yeah, but it's right there. I'm pretty sure we're gonna go up a little bit higher, take out this liquidity, and then probably just shoot back down. Because there's no way we just barely take it out and we just don't take it out. You know what I mean? It's right there. It's right there. Hey, what's up? Good morning. But yeah, I'm sure we're going to at least 53. You know what I mean? It makes no sense for us to go all this way up to not take out liquidity and go back down. You know what I mean? It makes no sense. But yeah, I mean, NQ is trying to hold red while ES is trying to take out liquidity. You know, there's it's two different things doing two. You know, but let's see. I don't want to take an inverse just yet up here if we do end up seeing that. But let's see. Hopefully we can take this out and instantly just reject back down, because obviously we can't afford to go up too high, because then that's just gonna ruin everything. You know, we can't really afford that. So the only thing we can afford is us taking out 53, maybe going up to like 54, 55, and then just shooting back down. ES takes liquidity and dumps on NQ. Yeah, that's what we're hoping for. That's what we want to see. Because obviously, look at NQ. It's a doji candle. It's not really catching up. It's like buyers are like, we're done with NQ, right? But the buyers on ES, on the other hand, look at this, right? They're trying to shoot it up into drawn liquidity, which makes sense. There's no way we shoot all the way up here from all the way down here, right? About what, like a 40 something point move to not take out liquidity and go back down. Obviously, the whole reason buyers are shooting this up is to take out the London high and this high up here. Once we take it out, then sure, sellers can step in. Buyers already got everything one and done, right? So actually, speaking of, we took out liquidity. I mean, we tapped into it, which is a good sign. And look at NQ on the other hand, just not as much interest, right? Now, if price wants to start going above 53 and hold above 53, sure, we might be interested in some longs if buyers look pretty good, right? But as of right now, I'm still interested. I'm still very interested in shorts. I just want to see how ES sells off, if it can sell off. That's the one thing I want to see. Because look at that, green to red candle, right? So we're getting the reaction we want to see. It's just not enough. Obviously, we just tapped into it. We gotta wait a little bit, maybe like a few minutes. We went on the reaction. If it chops up, we don't trade it. If it moves down, we're good to go. And if it goes even higher, then all right, we'll take the risky trade into the upside. You know. But right now, I just don't like the chop here. What? Then why not take longs until the DOL? Because the thing is, we already hit DOL. That's the whole thing I've been trying to explain for like the last 10 minutes. The whole reason we were going up is so ES takes out drawn liquidity, and then we start showing some signs of weakness. That's what we want to see. We don't know what's going to happen just yet, but we're going to find out. We're going to find out. Because look at this. Doji candle, red candle, in fact, and ES holding up. Are you sizing full for the shorts and small for the longs? Yeah. Yeah, I'll do full for the short. It obviously depends. You can see right here the market is chopping up a little bit. If it stays like this, I'm probably not even going to trade it. But if we do pick up some selling volume, then yeah, I'll size full for the shorts. David, did you say you do full size for the downside? Yeah, I just said that. Yeah. What's full? Yeah, 10 micros. Yeah. What's a doji candle? A doji candle is just a candle that's very indecisive. It's kind of a candle that looks like this. There's no upside nor downside. So it's kind of like this. Yeah, you're good, Jazzy. Don't worry. I know. Anyways, okay. So ES officially took out DOL. It's holding. Well, it's not holding above it. It's above it right now. Which kind of checks out that, hey, we took out the liquidity. So we're good on that. Now all we need to see is just more interest in selling. Obviously, NQ. If ES dumps, NQ will dump even harder because ES now has the leading side. We just need the selling. So like I said, I'm expecting, I would say price could hold maybe at 54, 55, and then we would want a selling candle, but we don't know. Now, if we see that ES holds above 53 and has a lot of buying, we could take the risky setup off this inverse, which we already did. So I don't know if it's going to look so good, but we could take this setup into the DOL up here. Right now, the thing is, now that we fill the fair value gap, now that I'm looking at it, I don't know. I don't know how longs look anymore. Kind of looks really bad. So fingers crossed. I'm just hoping we see selling, because that's all I want to trade into. I'm gonna delete this because in fact I'm not even gonna trade it. If we see upside, then I guess we'll just watch it. But right now the only really good setup that we have, the only perfect setup that we have is the downside. Right? Obviously, with us taking out DOL up here, we want sellers to step in sometime soon. It doesn't have to be right now, but it could be soon. Right? Once we get that selling, we should get some more selling over on ES. We take out liquidity, we inverse this, we take out liquidity down here and down here. That's the whole move that we're trying to get right now. But we'll see. Right now, price is just frozen. It's kind of just stuck here. But yeah, if we see higher, honestly, it'll probably just be a cash day for me then. 5 micros, not minis, micros. Maybe it's accumulation for lower. That I'm hoping for that. Yeah, like I said, I'm expecting price to go lower very soon. I just don't know how soon. And if prices stay stuck up here, then I just won't take it. Oh, okay, okay, got it, got it. What about the 1 hour fair value gap on ES? I don't trade 1 hour fair value gaps at all. You could use it as a bias, but honestly, I don't even bother. I kind of like to use like the lower time frames and just work off that. But if we do have it on the 1 hour time frame and we're rejecting off that, I mean that's amazing. You know what I mean? That's more confirmation for selling, which is what we want to see. But yeah, price is just dancing around this range, around the what like 800 to 820. He's just stuck there. But yeah, like someone said, it could be a accumulation before the big move or the consolidation, however you guys want to call it. But we'll see, man. We'll see. The one thing I don't want to do anymore is take longs. Longs is out of the picture. It was risky enough already, but now that we took out the fair value gap and we didn't even respect it, it's out of the picture. I'm not taking it. You know, so if we shoot up, it's just probably gonna be a cash day unless we see something, you know, something else, which you know I don't know yet, but especially with price being frozen like this, we don't know. We don't know. Right now, the only thing we're hoping for is straight selling to the downside, and we take a short position. We're like 100 points for the 5-minute fair value gap to the downside. Yeah, it's normal. Price is very volatile right now. So what is 100 points right now with the volatile market is more of like a 30-point move on a slow market. You know, like we'll see it. David, you ever trade on a live account? We're thinking of. I used to. I didn't like it. I used to trade on both funded and live in a live account. I didn't really like it. I prefer funded. Funded a lot more. Less risk, feels a lot better, make more money. You know what I mean? You're not trading with your money, which feels good, you know? So when trading with a fresh funded, what do you suggest to pad it? Starting 3 or hit it with 7 on light. I would say start off with a light position. I would say like if you're on a 50K, maybe start with 5 micros per trade. And on a light position you could do like 4 around there. But yeah, start with 5, build a cushion, try to get it to like 52,000 and then just go on from there. There's another bearish rally gap at 863. You said 863. Let me see. What time frame? On the 15-minute. Let me see that real quick while we wait for some setup here. Oh no, I am not taking this one, bro. No, sure we might have the points, but bro, that gap is super small. That gap is super small, and it's a 42-point candle. Not horrible, but nah, this gap is way too small. I'm not interested in it. No. I'm good. Now, if you're talking about something like this, then yeah, sure, I might have considered it, but you know. I mean, no, I'm not taking longs. The longs are out of the picture. Sure, it might have looked good at the time, or it might have looked, you know, it was risky at the time. But now that we filled the fair value gap and everything, it's not worth taking. Not in my books. Not about no. But yeah, buyers are trying to step in here. I mean, ES is holding up, which is a sign, but we're still waiting, man. We're still waiting. Right now, it's looking a little bit ugly, a little bit choppy. Not much we could really do here. How much should I risk per trade on a 50K account with 4 contracts, like 350? Yeah, 350 should be a good amount. Yeah, on a 50K account, yeah, 350. All right, we're getting something. Let's see. Hopefully, this is the move that we're hoping for. Is ES sweeping? Yeah, ES is sweeping. In fact, hey, this might be the move. Whoever said this was accumulation, this might be the breakout move. Who knows? I don't want to jinx it, but let's find out. Right now we sold off about 40 points? Yeah, 50 points. That quick. So you guys see what I mean? Although the setup seems like it's 100 points away, we just sold off 50 points in a blink of an eye. You know? So we should be good. I'll tell you, we're not going higher. I mean, we were all saying it, bro. I mean, we were hoping for it. Obviously, we don't have too much of a reading up here to know if we're gonna go higher or not, but yeah. Do you use ATM settings? No, I don't. I'm just hoping we don't sell off and we pump back up and just stay there again, back in the chop. That's the last thing I'm hoping for. And it seems like that's what we might be getting. But who knows? Who knows? And we bounce back up. All right. Yeah, no, we're still in the chop, guys. We're still in the chop. Hopefully, like I said, we don't stay like this all morning because, man, this thing is looking ugly. We dumped 50 points to push the candle back up 50 points. How many points is your stop loss? I mean, I don't even have a setup. That's the thing. I don't know where to put the stop loss yet if we don't have a setup. You got to wait on that one. It rejected off the 15-minute. Do we have a 15-minute? Yeah, we do. Well, it's not the best looking one, but yeah, I guess so. Yeah, we did bounce off this one. Yeah, to be fair. No, I wasn't expecting that much of a big bounce, but damn, all right. I just don't want to see price break above this high up here, because then that's when it gets ugly. That's when shorts kind of gets out of the picture. It's been like this all day. Yeah, I mean, keep in mind the market has been open for like what 40 minutes. It's normal sometimes. Yeah, David, are you planning on trading gold? No, I don't do gold. I don't really care about it. Silver? No. I'm sticking to NQ. I'm an NQ trader. Anyways, the one thing I was hoping for you with you guys is I was hoping to get a quick trade. You guys know usually our best trades always happens before 10 a.m. I was hoping to get you guys a quick trade, call it a day, because you guys know this week is gonna be a 3-day trading week, and I know you guys don't want to hear it, but let me explain. Wednesday we have FOMC. You guys know I do not trade FOMC. I don't suggest you guys do so either. And Thursday the markets are closed. I don't know if you guys know this, but it's best if I tell you guys right now, since there's 500 of you guys in here. On Thursday, the markets will be closed. For those that don't know, right? So don't even bother waking up for the market on Thursday, because nothing's moving. All right, guys. Why? Because a former president died or passed away a few days ago or a week ago or so. And when a president dies, apparently I didn't even know this myself. Apparently the market closes. So yeah, no, it's this week. They're closing it this week because that's when they're doing like the funeral and shit. But yeah, guys, we're inversing the gap here, which we would have gotten an entry here, but man, it's not something I want to take. Although buyers look strong, it's not a bad trade at all. But I don't know. Let me mark this back up just in case. Maybe let me see if I can even mark it out in time. How far back is the gap? Here it is. There you go. Now, the reason I want to mark it back is because I told you guys, if ES holds above liquidity, we could shoot into higher, right? And that's exactly what we're doing right now. So, I don't know. And buyers are stepping in pretty nice. The thing is, I don't know if it's too late for an entry. That's the problem. I don't know if it's too late. Thing is, I just don't want to enter in the chop. It's just we're just in a very tricky spot. Very, very tricky. Oh man. Because right now wouldn't be a bad spot at all to enter. But that's if you're like the biggest risk taker. Obviously, we're not here to take risks. We're here to to take everything perfectly. But it's not bad. It's not horrible. It's just not good enough for me to take it. In the meantime, make catch up with the chat while this does whatever it wants to do. As much as I want to say that the setup is tradable, you could take it. Don't get me wrong. Of course, take it at your own risk, but I won't take it. As much as I want to, I'm gonna sit out. And I know we're probably gonna shoot into 891, maybe 900s, maybe 920s, but I'd rather sit out. I don't want to take the risk. We were doing so good last week. I'm not ending the streak right now over a risky setup that I myself don't even like. So I'm good off that. I mean, look how he's moving regardless. It's going to be playing with your emotions, playing with your stop loss. I'd rather not. It's not worth the risk. What's the current streak right now? I'm not sure. We're like 4 for 4. Maybe more. 5 for 5. Around there. It's 4 or 5. We're rejecting off the 50-minute for rally up on ES. Let me see. You're seeing on ES right now. ES just hits. If you're talking about this one is like kind of whatever as well. I don't know. It's just right now the market is in a I'm not gonna say the market is bad because it's not horrible. We're just in a bad spot. I just hate when we have these really big overnight moves throughout London to the point where we take everything out and we don't have anything for the New York session. So I don't know. I would say the best thing we could probably do right now is just stay on and hope and wait for selling to step in. If it steps in, if not, we just stay disciplined and we just don't take anything. Because remember, guys, like Briggs just said in the chat, we're here for A plus setups only, right? We're not gonna take this mid ass setup and just have it play with our stop loss. I'm good off that. What about taking shots off the 15-minute for rally gap? If you're talking about this one, sure, you could try to take shorts off this one, but the thing is, like I said, if you take shorts off this inverse, so you're looking at entry around 742, right? If you take shorts off this, you're gonna shoot straight down into the next fair value gap, which could bounce and stop you out. So you're not gonna enter longs either? No, it's too risky. If you want to take longs, be my guest, but I do not suggest you do so. Right now, price is looking really ugly. Price is looking very indecisive. Sure, we might go higher, but it's just not. There's nothing here that looks. Bro, Jack, he's trolling, bro. He's trolling. That's my friend. Anyways, but yeah, like I said, I don't care if price shoots up. I don't care if it shoots up 200, 300 points from the entry. I'm not seeing anything that we could really enter off of right now, so we're gonna wait. We're gonna wait. Let me just put the YouTube chat. I haven't read it in a minute. Let me see. Do you trade micros or minis? I do micros. I'm on a 300K account from your promo code on the fund. This is my first trade and my first follow-up from your channel. Bro, that's what I'd like to hear. But hopefully I can get you a good trade. Right now, the market's not looking the best. So I don't know about today or at least right now, but I'll try. I'm sure here in my Lambo, bro. Oh wait, I think Grabby might get on the live. He's not trading today. He never trades Mondays, but I'm just hoping tomorrow is not choppy, because if tomorrow is bad, we won't have a trade today, tomorrow, Wednesday, nor Thursday because of everything happening. So Friday will be our only hope. And Friday, actually, I have high hopes for Friday because Friday has NFP. But I'm really hoping I can get you guys a trade at least today, maybe tomorrow. And then for Friday, we just ended off on a good note with NFP. We take a really good trade. What's Wednesday? FOMC. I don't trade FOMC, and I always suggest you guys don't do either because the price is horrible. Sure, you might have that one good pop here and there, but nah. I hate FOMC. I don't like trading it. Okay, I mean, yeah, if you want to grab me on FOMC, go ahead. But it's minutes. It's not even the regular one. It's minutes. So not only will price be very slow, but when FOMC strikes, it won't even do anything. That's the thing. My trading view is also delayed by 10 minutes. Does that mean I have to connect my trading view to my broker? I'm on TradeAway. Yeah, if you have an Apex account, yeah, go ahead and connect it to your trading view. You should have instant data. Bro. But yeah, right now, guys, as much as I want to give you guys the setup and as much as I want to talk setups to you guys, we don't have anything up here. Thank God we didn't take those longs. I knew they were risky, but I didn't know it was going to look this bad. This thing is just frozen. But we'll see. If anything, maybe we can shoot into 891 and we could probably get a setup from there. Since we took out DOL, but I don't know. Let me delete this. I'm not going to use it anymore. Bro, PG, chill out, bro. Let me see. Okay, bet. High and high low. The thing is that I know, sure, the trend is we know the trend is bullish. What do you call your strategy? Just a fair value gap strategy. That's all I trade. I know that the trend is bullish, but bro, the thing is we don't have anything to trade. That's why I was telling you guys, yeah, I know buyers are looking strong, and I know we're doing this and that to the upside. And we could try to risk taking longs, but now it's just looking really bad. I rather not. You know, anyone know if the bookmap app is legit? I've never traded bookmap, but yeah, so far I mean price is shooting up. It's just not the way I like it. If yes, inverse the fair value would take longs. No, I'm not gonna take longs up here. Longs is kind of out of the picture. It's just not looking promising, bro. That's why. I was considering it, but we're waiting for the PM. No. I'm still staying on. I mean, guys, the market hasn't even been open for an hour. We just have to wait for a setup, a new one. We just don't know where we're gonna get it because obviously right now we just have chop, chop, chop. You know, it's just nothing's happening. It's a slow grind up to the upside. How long did it take for you to become profitable, and what changed you from red to green? Okay, so it took me about 2 years. I started trading at 15. I got profitable like mid 17s around there. And that's actually when I opened this Discord. When I started seeing green. And the one thing that changed me from staying red to going green is first of all screen time. Obviously, it takes time to master a strategy and get familiar with it. And that takes time. You know what I mean? It takes a lot of time back testing because there's a million things that can happen, you know, to stop you out, a million mistakes that you can make that will stop you out. You know, what else? Discipline. I wasn't disciplined at all. I was taking a million trades a day. I'm like, oh, like I'm red. I need to go back green. You know what I mean? Once you understand that not every day will be a green day. Once you understand that not every day will be a day where you trade, that's when you become profitable. Now, another one is respecting your stop loss. There's a reason you have a stop loss. If you don't use it, then you know what I mean? What are you expecting? What's up, Krabby? But yeah, if you're not using your stop loss, then what are you expecting? You know, you're not trading off probability, you're trading off hope. You know, so once you understand that part as well, you become profitable. All right, my man. What's up, Krabby? Bro. Bro, that song is low-key pretty good. I don't know, bro, I like it. What's up, bro? Like, you see this market, bro? It looked good at first. I'm not gonna lie. Let me see. Talk to us, man. I love hearing you're training at 15. I got my son looking at the charts at 10 years old because I want. Bro, yeah. I mean, the good thing with this is you can start at pretty much any age, um, and just go from there. I started at 15 because honestly, I got hooked onto it. With Instagram and you know the guru. I mean, that I'm sure that's how we all got into it. But yeah, I mean, it's all about the screen time, the journaling. Once you familiarize all of that, you can pretty much get it at any age. He already knows how to find swing highs. That's amazing, bro. Now you just have to get him familiar with the strategy. You give him a few years to practice it and everything, bro. He should be good. You know what I mean? He should be good on that. Yeah, bro. It's horrible, bro. It's horrible. Talk to me, bro. You can't retire when I'm learning, bro. I'm not retiring anytime soon, bro. But yeah. Anyways, bro, Krabby. Bro, and the thing is, bro, if I don't get a trade today, bro, it's only gonna be tomorrow and Friday because I'm not trading Wednesday because of FOMC, and then Thursday, bro, the markets are closed, bro. I mean, that's just how it is, bro. I mean, last week was amazing, bro. I'm happy for the month, bro. What, bro? Bro, yeah, yeah, yeah. I know. Did you have a mentor? Not a mentor. I never paid for one. No, I'm not saying you shouldn't pay. I mean, you know, I mean, it's probably best. You know, what you're paying for, if you get a mentor, is you're paying for like kind of like time. I think of it as time, because obviously you can get it yourself with trial and error, at least in trading. You know what I mean? And that probably goes for with any business model. You can learn it with trial and error because obviously someone starts. You know that mentor probably started somewhere, and he learned from himself. You know what I mean? But if you get yourself a mentor, you're just saving time because you're probably gonna figure it out on your own. Eventually, you know what I mean, through trial and error. But what that mentor does is he saves you money and time. So, you know what I mean, sometimes you're gonna see a mentor that's $5,000 or maybe 10,000 or who knows, you know, any price, you know, but it's gonna be costly, you know, because obviously no one trades their time for like what, like $500. That's, you know, no. Anyways, So you're saving, like I said, you're saving time and money, and the reason I'm saying that is because at least in the market, right, or actually in any business, you're gonna make mistakes. It's how you learn. You know what I mean? It's how you learn, and it's how you grow as a person and how you grow your business. You know what I mean? You have to lose first to learn. You know, um, so what I mean by saving money and time is that mentor is gonna first of all address the mistakes that you should avoid at first, which is my job. You know what I mean? I help you guys, obviously learn discipline, learn about your stop loss, learn about the strategy, which you guys can learn on your own. But the thing is, you're not gonna get it like that at first. It's gonna take a lot of time, right? So you're probably gonna lose a lot of money from losing trades and all that stuff. Right now, with time, obviously, it takes years to master trading. You know what I mean? You're not gonna get it in a few months. Sure, you might be in a good streak or whatever, but no, realistically, it's gonna take years because you could be in a good streak now, but once that losing streak comes along, you guys start complaining, you guys start crying about it, and you quit trading overall, right? So don't let streaks get to you. Anyways, what I mean by money, or I mean by time, is like I said, it's gonna take a lot of time to master strategy. It's gonna take time to fix your mistakes. It's gonna take time for everything, right? What that mentor does is gonna help you. He's gonna help you, um, just pretty much just get everything all in one. That's pretty much my job. Obviously, I know a lot of you guys are new in here, and look at that, you guys are even getting payouts in no time. You know what I mean? So my job is to help you guys save time and even save money by giving you guys something that I've put my time into, by that I know that works, and teaching it over to you guys, right? But yeah, no, me personally, I didn't have a mentor. Not only did I had friends that helped me. For example, Krabi, he's one that helped me a lot. Um, but other than that, no, I never really paid for a mentor or really had one. What was your worst losing streak last year? If you're talking about 2024, probably it was the week before. It was Christmas week actually. What did we go on? Was it 0 for 3 or was it 0 for 4? Whatever it was, it was a bad one. It was a really bad one. 2023, I don't know. I don't remember that one. I think it was probably like 0 for 3 probably. It was 0 for 3, right? What was it, 2 weeks ago? I'm pretty sure it was 0 for, because we took two. Yeah, no, we took two losses. Well, we took four losses that week. It wasn't 0 for 4. It was 0 for 3 at first. Then we took the ES win. We made back some profits or some of the loss, and then the next trade was a losing trade. And then we went on a it was 1 for 4 or 1 for 5. I don't know, some shit like that. Yeah, whatever it was, bro. It wasn't pretty. Now, would I say I made any mistakes? I don't want to say that I didn't make any mistakes, but from what I saw, it was just price just wasn't in our favor. Yeah, guys, the market. Yeah, yeah, bro. The market will be closed on Thursday. It's already confirmed. I like the group and watching 100 people on IG and saving time and money, bro. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, bro. Yeah, 100%. Anyways, what was I saying? Oh yeah, the markets are gonna be closed on Thursday. Futures market will be open on Thursday. Will it? I don't know. I heard it's gonna be. Yeah, I heard it's gonna be fully closed. Yeah, I don't know. Forex factor doesn't say anything. I'm just saying what I'm hearing. But I don't know. Regardless, I don't even know if it's gonna be safe to trade. With all that stuff going on. Let me check, because I'm sure Forex Factory would have said something. Yeah, Thursday. There's no news scheduled. Everything was like, yeah, it's gonna be closed when we don't even have unemployment claims on Thursday. That's every single week. So they even canceled that out. They're not reporting the unemployment claims. Well, I mean, the market does, I guess. You know what I mean? If they're taking their time to close it, I guess so. You know what I mean? Um, I don't know. I'm probably gonna do a little bit more research and see. But from what I'm hearing from literally everyone is that it's gonna be closed. Unemployment switched to Friday. Yeah, but is it every Friday? Nope. Wait, let me see. No, it's usually every Thursday. So yeah, they're delaying the unemployment claims from Thursday to over to Friday, cause of the thing going on. So yeah, I'm more than positive Thursday's gonna be closed. I'm pretty sure it's confirmed already. Google said it's closed. It is closed. That's what Nasdaq said as well. Bro, Krabby, this market is so. I don't want to say it's bad, but bro, it's not tradable. You're seeing what I'm seeing, right? Yeah, bro. No, trust me. I had a long setup, and it look played out a little bit, but bro, I'm like, nah, bro. It's not worth the risk. It's really not. What you'll get like, let's say you would have entered at 55 because that's where price was when I said it. You're looking at a 30-point trade, which don't get me wrong, it's amazing, but I know you guys wouldn't be too satisfied with a 30-point trade, which not a thing about it. It's not good either, but regardless, um, you know, what I mean, it wasn't worth it. This chop for 30 points, no. I rather not. I rather just sit through it and just wait for something really good to come out. Any good trading books? I actually don't read. I wish I can answer that question. But I myself don't read. Bro, yeah, I don't know. I just don't have the attention span to read. Bro. No, it's not even that I'm a visual learner. It's just I just I don't have the attention span. Like, bro, I'll probably read like one page. I'll skim through it and just like get on TikTok or some shit. So yeah, damn. No, the thing is, you don't learn trading through books. Like, what are you gonna learn? Supply and demand? No, dude. That's more for like it helps you like get discipline and shit. Like it helps you like better yourself. You know, like it helps you better your mind. Like emotions or discipline or like experience or yeah, like bro, like I'm good. I rather not. That at least to me, bro, that shit doesn't interest me. Now, stuff for your mind, like bettering your mind, sure. That I might consider reading it, but other than that, not really. Yeah, mindset. Yeah, exactly, exactly. And for that, honestly, if you want to learn more about your mindset, bro, in my opinion, I'd rather have a 2-on-1 and go to the gym. That also helps better your mindset. It helps build discipline. Rather than read a book and you know what I mean? I mean, you can mix both, but I'd much rather go to the gym, build discipline from there, and get a good mindset from there. Because the gym actually really helps. You guys would be surprised. 100% Pat. 100%, bro. I just saw what you said. Now, can we get some selling, bro? Please. This market is so slow. It was looking really good on off open, but nothing, man. Nothing. Bro. You should read Psychology of Money. I would but like I said, I really don't have the attention span, which I don't know. Obviously, it's not a good thing, but it's just how I am. Good, but it was like, bro. Yeah, no, I was just having a little bit of fun, bro. Anyone in shorts at this AM? No, bro. There's nothing you could take here. I saw you. Oh yeah, yo, bro, Krabby, that yearly recap that you did, bro. That was you made that good, bro. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I saw. I'm like, damn. Yeah, yeah. Actually, a lot of people liked it, bro. I want to make, bro. I'm like, bro. I want to make, bro. Yeah, yeah. The thing is because every trade that you take, you write it down, right? Yep. No, for me, bro, I would have to scroll all the way up and just go from there, bro. And I'm not trying to do that because that's a lot of trades. Me, I think honestly, I think I took 200 trades this week. Or not? No, 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 not this week. This year. My bad, bro. Speaking of, bro, I paid this one editor to edit the video, and he's like, yeah, bro, I'll have it by today, 2 days ago. 188. If you took 188, I probably took like 180 around there, probably. I don't know. Yeah. Because what? There's 255 days a year. You're not trading most of those days, or not most, but like you're not trading all of those days. Honestly, how do I get it all in one place? I'm pretty sure I took like maybe like 150. You stop going, bro. Do you know this? Yeah, I'm going to. I'm gonna try. Yeah. What? You have like an Excel sheet and you just write the numbers, bro. How many points did you catch in total? Hmm. Bro, I would say I probably caught last year. Um. Hmm. I probably caught like 20,000 in points. Is that too much? I think that's reasonable. 20,000 in points. I mean, we got a good amount of 100 point trades. We got a 600 point trade as well. Um, yeah, I mean, like what, like 15,000 points, maybe 20,000. That's a lot, bro. Cause six only? I thought you had a lot more. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. Oh, yeah. There you go. There you go. I was about to say, bro, like, yeah. Nah, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I think I caught maybe 150 points, or not points, trades this year. Because if you caught 180, you trade I would say you trade a lot more than I do. Because I'm one and done for the day. And you're like maybe like you get one good trade and you're like maybe I'll put out one more, maybe another one here and there. You know what I mean? Yeah, that's right. I don't know. Maybe like 160, 170, maybe. But yeah, bro, I have this video being edited right now, bro. Because I'm trying to bro, I showed my yearly P&L and everything, bank statements and everything, bro, for this year. Because I figured it'll be a good video, but man, this guy's taking a long time to edit it, bro. And I get it, like it's taking, like it's a good edit. Yeah, like bro, it's motion graphic and everything. But he's like, yeah, I should have it by tomorrow or by today or bro, I did. That's the thing. I did. The price was really good. I'm like, fuck it. He has experience, six years of experience. Why not? The price is good. Everyone wins. I'm like, bro, like if I like the video, I'll hire you, bro. But no, bro, I haven't heard back. No, he texted me like yesterday. He's like, yeah, bro, I should have it very soon, and nothing yet. Maybe today, and maybe I just don't get it at all. Let me check. He was last active 40. Bro, I sent my message 2 hours ago, and he was last on 48 minutes ago, and he didn't respond. Nah, bro, I got scammed, bro. Oh hell no, bro. Nah, it's because I'm pretty sure Fiverr pays you back if you don't get the product. But bro, I'm giving him some time, bro. Like, come on now. I need that video done. I gotta post it. Are we in any trades? Not yet, bro. The market is looking hideous, bro. It's horrible. We're waiting on something, but right now, nothing, bro. Look at the market, bro. Very, very bad. Bro took the video for himself. I mean, bro, I showed you guys. I pretty much explained my entire strategy in that video. Maybe he just took it for himself, bro. That's probably what happened. But bro, it was 200. Was it 200? I forgot how much I paid for it. It was 200 for one video, which honestly is not too bad for the amount of work that he's putting in. I don't know if it's too little. 200 for that? Yeah, bro. That's what I'm saying. Like, bro, I literally said, I'm like, bro, like, I'll hire you, bro. Like, I'm down to pay like what, like 300, maybe the most 400 per video. I'll do that. You know? Have you ever been scammed before, bro? Who hasn't, bro? Like, bro, yeah. I mean, shit. I just got scammed right now. Nah, I don't think I got scammed. It's probably, yeah. I mean, I get it. You know what I mean? Like, I'm a busy guy too. I'm giving him time, but like, I'm texting him every so on. I don't want to be like those people that are like, yo, do you see my message? Yo, hello, yo, hello. You know what I mean? I'm like, like, hey, like, no rush. I don't want to bother you, but any updates on the video? He's like, yeah, I'll get it done by tomorrow. You know. I'm like, all right, cool. I just left it there. No, no, no. Exactly, exactly. That's what I'm saying, bro. Take your time. Take your time. But I just want to see. I want to hear about an update. You know, like, hey, like it's going so pretty good. Here's a clip. Here's this. Here's that. But does that what's yeah, bro? He has like 50 reviews. They're all 5 stars. It was good as hell. And have videos as well that. But we'll see, bro. Because I really want to put this video out for you guys. Because bro, Krabby, I really want to get into YouTube this year. Like, not live streams, because obviously I'm doing it right now, bro. I'm averaging 100 views. I mean, 100 live viewers per stream, bro. Today I had 500 something on the live trading, bro. On Discord only, bro. Yeah, bro, insane. It was like 520, 515. Yeah. Anyways, bro, I want to get into YouTube, into content creation, bro. I want to do like day in life, bro. Trading content. Mamba Effects. You know how he does it? How he mixes trading with like his life, bro. I want to do it like that, bro. I want to do it like that. But the thing is, bro, I need a good editor, bro, because I'm not gonna put a raw video. That's just boring as hell. I want to make it entertaining. I want to make it short. I want to make it nice. You know what I mean? Bro, just start, bro. Let me guess. Oh, I don't have any subscribers, bro. Obviously, you don't do YouTube. That's why. Is Mamba FX legit? Yeah, I would say he's pretty good. He's a good trader. He does everything live. I already told you guys. If you're ever like debating on if a trader is like legit or a good trader or he actually does everything for real, just ask yourself, okay, does he trade live? If he does, yeah. If he doesn't, then it gets questionable. Yeah, but to be fair, yeah. Now, if they don't show losses, then I guess it can get a little bit, But the thing is, I guess I don't know. I keep in mind, I'm watching it from the free side. I don't really pay for anything, so I don't know how that goes. But from what I'm seeing, it's a lot of wins, right? But keep in mind, he does trade with a lot of money, a lot. Like I mean, he's averaging like 100K per trade on a small scalp. Some dude, yeah, I know. Someone made a video on Mamba FX. They won and they were still talking shit about it about him. Yeah, yeah, that was fucked up. He's like, so I made money, but it's a scam because he edits his trades. No, bro, because obviously sometimes it's too, bro. I I'm not gonna like Krabby, bro. Sometimes I wish I can edit my alerts, not like that, but like I wish I could be like, okay, guys, enter longs here, and then once I put out the entry, I start typing the price targets and the stop loss, so I'm not in a rush before the trade goes out, you know. But no, I know how you do it. Trust me. But the thing is, it looks ugly when it says edited. You know what I mean? That's the only problem because when you're promoting it, people are like, "Hey, I don't know if you actually put this out because it says here that you edited the message. Who knows? Maybe you edited the long position." I know, and you just edit it. Yep, yep. Mm-hmm. Bro, because bro, sometimes I just wish I could be like, okay, guys, enter NQ longs now. No, but I have to say NQ longs at this price target. Yep, stop loss. And then at the end of the day, the alert is too fast, and then boom, you know. But yeah, camera, he got caught stealing people's signal. But you'd be surprised how many people steal other people's signals. You guys would be surprised. It's a normal thing. Also, we just got liquidity, but you guys, it's in the trading space, or at least in the what do I say, like in the course space or like the community space or whatever, where people alert, it's very common of stolen alerts. Like people do that all the time. It's probably even happening right now. It's happened to me. Not that I've done it, but I've gotten my shit taken for some time. Krabby has gotten it. Right, Krabby? Recently, yeah, it happens. It's a normal thing, very normal. And no one knows because obviously, it's kind of displayed as like a regular alert. Have we entered? No, bro. Look at the market. It's very, very bad. It's not moving at all. There's no trend. It's very choppy. Nothing yet. We're waiting on something, but so far, no luck. No luck on the setup. What's your opinion on TGR? I really fuck with TGR. I kind of I don't know. How do I say this? Um, just what happened with his prop firm, bro. It's just the thing is, bro. I don't care if he's your favorite influencer. If someone makes a prop, if an influencer makes a prop firm, it's automatically a red flag. I've heard more bad than good from the prop, like from influencer prop firms. Always, always. Now he's an amazing trader. He's an amazing guy. Don't get me wrong. It's just anytime I hear anytime I hear influencer and prop firm in the same sentence, it's never a good thing. Never. It's always this guy didn't pay me out, or the prop firm shut down, or this or that. It's always something. Always. The only good prop firm I've heard about from an influencer, and I don't want to speak too quick, is TGRs. All right, not TGRs, bro. Jadons. My bad. That one I've heard pretty good from it. Honestly, bro, he's been doing really good. The thing is, he's not an influencer, crap. That's the thing. He's a trader, so he knows what he's doing. No, he doesn't. He doesn't do content. I don't think so. I guess, but it's more trades. I would say. Are you trading PM if there's no AM? Yeah, I would do PM. I'm open to PM today, Frank. Yes, sir. What about Danny's trades? I don't know about him, bro. Shinobi saying, Kyrie, what do you think? No comment. No comment. Someone just joined the server when you said into the trade. How? When was this? And obviously, let me see. How or why did you mark out 891? My level was a bit off. Okay, a lot of you guys are asking me about 891. What do I have at 891? Because this is probably a really old level that I have. Oh, it's just a green candle here. It's nothing crazy actually. 891. Yeah, nothing crazy here. There's not much we can really work with up here actually. But yeah, it's just the market is in a weird spot right now. Now the reason I'm saying it's in a weird spot is because we don't have too much DOL that's like perfect to trade. But and on top of that, we also don't have the price. The price is very weird. You know, it's dead pretty much. Like you can't hold through it. That's the problem. Marcel Mango, bro, and I liked it. Of course I did, bro. Like, bro, the thing is, I don't even know about these, bro. David, I know you don't fuck with indicators, but do you have rise zones? No, I've never actually heard of that one. I don't listen 2 weeks, bro. Nice, bro. That's what I like to hear. Now, Seth, obviously, right now, you know, I wish I could say the same. Well, I could say the same, but right now, the market's just not good. You know what I mean? Like, I wish I could see that for today, but so far, nothing, bro. Why don't you do more social media? I I get burnt out very quick with it. Now, the reason I get burnt out so quick is because obviously I didn't have a cameraman. I was doing content by myself. I was editing the video by myself. I was posting it by myself. And bro, after like a month, bro, that shit burns you out. So, you know, I took a little bit of a break and it felt good and I just didn't go back into it. But obviously, um, what's it called? What was I gonna say? I've learned, thank God, to put myself out there without doing social media. I don't like doing social media too much. Um, but I've learned to how to put myself out there in other servers, and that's how most of you guys found me today, or not today, but you know. Yeah, I am, bro. I'm gonna do YouTube now. YouTube is different from reels because YouTube you could just like just go full in on a video and just just actually find you through reels. No way, bro. What? Yeah, a lot of you guys are from RP, and the reason for that is because I put my work out there. Obviously, you guys like my work. You guys want more of my work, and you guys joined. You know, so that's how I personally put myself out there, and I see more of a good success rate off that. On the bro, you went back a little bit, a little bit. How far do you go for levels? As far as possible, bro. It doesn't matter. I just mark the nearby levels, right? But the level could be a year old, and you can still use it. Like for example, all-time high. I heard David Fullport's profits from trading. Maybe a little bit of it. No, but I am tired a little bit, pretty tired. Not a little bit, a lot. You should start posting the dollar amount you make per trade to show people how much they can make if they get more accounts to manage the risk. Well, I do tell you guys, I've been doing that a lot more recently, but Nate, the thing that I'm doing now is I'm gonna be recording everything over on YouTube with profits and everything. I'm gonna be making videos out of it. Like I said, I want to mix day in life with trading, pretty much like how Mamba does it. The problem is, bro, I don't have a crazy life. Like, bro, the thing is, I'm gonna have to start doing. I'm gonna have to start doing more stuff out there so I can get content for you guys. Cause, bro, what I finish trading, I get some more work done. I go out to eat. You know, I just eat something and I come back home and I go to sleep. That's about it. That sums up my life. That's some, yeah, bro. That's from, like, bro. I feel like that's everyone's life, but on YouTube, it's like. So I'm going to, bro. I'm gonna go today actually, bro. I haven't gone in like 2 weeks, bro. I just haven't had time. But yeah, bro, I want to start doing more stuff out there, you know, so I can get content because I really want to get into YouTube again, or not again, but this guy just won't respond. Try another asset like gold or ES. No, first of all, I'm not trading ES. Every time I trade it, it's a headache. Even though the trades can go green, it's so slow. I mean, bro, if I open this, okay, it's actually not bad here. Oh wait, I'm on the 15-minute. Never mind. Okay, yeah, it's pretty bad. You know, I just don't like this. And gold, I've never had interest in gold. I don't really care to trade it too much. But yeah. We're gonna hit a new high of day. I mean, yeah, we're right there. We're at high of day pretty much. The thing is, we don't have a setup to trade off of it. That's the problem. Call it a day. If anything, I'll call it a session. But if I do see something during the PM, yeah, we could definitely trade it. But right now, it's looking horrible. Like I myself want to call it as well, because I doubt we're gonna get the price is just stuck, bro. Anyways, next question. What time is PM? 1 p.m. EST. Or pretty much anytime a trade comes up, pretty much. It's a trend day? Not even, bro. I mean, sure, hindsight is a trend day, but we don't know if price is gonna keep going higher. You know, like it's that slow. But yeah, would you guys be down to call it for an AM? Wait, let me see, David. What about the level? Yeah, it's all DOL. So go on the 5-minute, scroll all the way back, and you'll see what I have. Do you think Krabby's cute? He is, bro. That's my boy. Anyways, yeah, you guys down to call it? Wait, 7 more minutes? Well, what can we possibly get in 7 minutes? Like, bro. PM live stream? Yeah, if I do see a setup, I will for sure take it. Because like I said, I want to give you guys a trade today because obviously we know that two of the 5 days this week are going to be no trades. FOMC day and the markets are closed. Yes, but you gotta promise us to come back if we get a setup. Remember, if we get a setup. If not, then we're staying cash. I heard Krabby bro. He said I heard Krabby blush. Bro. We don't have to get a trade today. I know we don't have to, but I would want to, so I can give you guys, you know, something to have for the week. But if not, I mean, tomorrow could always be a new day. You know, tomorrow could be a new day, and then Friday, remember, Friday we have NFP, so it's gonna be a good one. Hopefully, it's gonna be a good one, bro. Watch the Discord chat. As soon as we get off, the market's gonna move. It always happens, bro. It always happens. MC Green. I don't know if you're new here or not, but bro, it always happens. What's NFP? It's like a baby CPI. Think of it like that. Like, you know how CPI is very, very volatile? Think of NFP like that, but just less volatile. It's a good one. It moves. Don't get me wrong. It could be like 100 points, but, you know, are you investing in XRP? No. I'm not invested in actually anything at all, which is a very bad thing. No. Bro, I don't like crypto. I've never liked it. And especially now that everything is at highs, even if I do want to get in, it's like, it's not right now. You know what I mean? And even then, you know, it's something that you should have been in. Like right now, it's just either you're in or you're not. Why don't you like crypto? The amount of stuff I hear from crypto it just sounds like such a headache. I'd rather not. I'd rather not. David, when are you getting the property, bro? Lock in. I'm trying to. Actually, I'm starting. I got this real estate course that someone hooked me up with, which I'm getting into. But that's gonna take some time. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna get off. At least for now. At least for now, I'm gonna get off. And just see what the market does. If it looks a lot better later, I'll trade it for sure. Because like I said, I want to give you guys a trade today. Just in case we don't get anything tomorrow. But I'm not gonna force anything. Well, I'm gonna do the bootcamp videos. It's being edited, but it's not. It's like, you know what I mean? You know the right. If I get scammed, bro, I'm gonna be so mad. But we'll see. We'll see. We'll see how that goes. I'm gonna give him a few more days. All right, but that's about it. Anyways, guys, get off the charts for a little bit. Obviously, you guys see what's going on here. It's very bad. You guys know what I'm gonna say. So please, just just stay disciplined. There's not much to work with here. All right, don't force anything out. If something comes up, I'll let you guys know. If something good comes up, I'll tell you guys, hey, trade this one. All right, but so far, don't touch this. All right. Anyways, yeah, guys, I'm gonna get off. If I see anything, like I said, I'll get on and I'll trade with you guys. All right. Peace out, guys. Peace out, Krabby. Hopefully we get something, bro. Hopefully. But if anything, bro, there's always tomorrow, All right, bro. Peace out. Peace out, guys. And YouTube, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get off for the day. At least on YouTube. I'm not gonna trade PM on YouTube. I am gonna do it over in the premium. So if you guys do want to get access to that, if you guys want to get access to live trading with no delay, if you guys want to get real-time alerts, text alerts, and all that stuff, guys, click the first link in the description. Use code Christmas for 60% off, and you guys could join at a really, really nice price, which is about $20, right? But yeah, anyways, guys, I'm gonna get off. This market is not worth trading, so yeah, I mean, there's not much to really say here. It's just very, very bad. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully, we get some good trades. And we'll go from there. All right, guys. Peace out. Take it easy, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.